Well, hi there again, folks. Now, you may remember some time back, actually it was during the COVID lockdown, that out of boredom I made myself a foam cutter from a bit of guitar string and a bit of PVC pipe, experimented with cutting various profiles, and eventually came up with something that looks like the Mini Arrow, which is a small version of the FlightTest Versa. If anyone's interested, I'll post a link on the website to my plan, and information about the motor and prop combination are in comments below. Anyhow, I finally got round to maidening it, and this is how it went. A little bit windy for it, but I think it should be all right. Where's this wind coming from? It's gone right. Oh, it's that way. Wish me luck. Oh, straight into the ground. That wasn't too good, was it? Remember to throw upwards. Take it off high rates. Oh, that's better. Don't want it in the... I had it flying into the sun there. Silly boy. Should stay up this way, stay upwind. But anyway, yeah, that will fly all right. Gonna do better this time. Keep it out of the sun, okay? Because once it was silhouetted, I must admit, I wasn't quite sure whether I was turning it the right way. So I let it get low. That's better. That's full throttle. Doesn't really need full throttle. Half throttle, it's much more docile. Whoa! Dropped a wing then when turning. Needs a little bit more up trim. Right, well, I've given it a little bit of up trim. Let's see what I can do now. Still needs more up trim. Hey, it's quite gusty, as you can see, because this is quite lightweight. I'll get it up high, keep it up here, giving it a bit more up trim. It does quite like full throttle really. It's kind of half throttle. That's half throttle. Yeah, it's happier at... Whoa, climbs nicely with her. Yeah, I need to trim it a little bit further up. Because it's diving. It's diving unless I keep the nose up. Right, lovely. Right, I'm going to give it a little bit of trim then, bit more trimming. Okay, so I've given it a bit more up trim, maybe too much. Let's see how we get on with that. Oh, much better. See that I didn't even need it on high rates. Whoa. No, that's hands-free. Whoa, windy. Being chucked around a bit. Whoa, nice save, Bobby. Battery's going. Battery was dying there. Oh well, at least I had a couple of good ones, and I'm well pleased with this one. My plan is to fly FPV, which is why it's got this double thing on here, so I can put transmitter here, camera there. Anyway, that's it for now. Shame we didn't get to try this or the other one, but next time. Pleased with the way that one flew, and pleased with the way my little 4-engine one went. If you've enjoyed this, don't forget to maybe give it a like down there, and why not even subscribe and check out some of my other vids. There's build blogs for all of those littles. There's about 8 littles, little twins, little Vulcans, little EDFs, you name it, it's on there. But that's all for now. Hopefully I'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now.